Hey guys, welcome to another video. So this video is going to be a pretty laid back video because in this video I'm going to show you guys the project I'm working on. So I started off with this project yesterday, and I thought why not to share my journey, document parts of my journey and share it in YouTube. So this project is for the Silo Development 101. So it is for this platform. So if you guys don't know about Decade, Decade is a platform. It is essentially a learn and earn platform. So here you can there are given materials for you to learn stuff about the blockchain world, and then you can there is a challenge for you to submit a project of your own, a app of your own, and you can earn some bounties. So for this particular one, the bounty for a valid project is going to be 100 USD. And other than Silo, there are near and other communities also. So I'll provide the link of this website, and you guys can check it out. So coming to to my project. So I have not completely done with this project. I mean, to be exact, I just started with this project. I have a very bonus idea. So this video is going to be a bit of explaining and a bit of brainstorming. So first, I will share you guys what is the idea that I have. So let's get to the whiteboard. So first of all, let me tell you guys what is the basic idea I have for now. So the app I'm building is going to be a place where people can get mentorship. So especially for Web3. Okay. So this project first is going to have a buy section. It's going to have a buy section. In this section, viewers can view mentors profiles, a very short profile. So the main important thing is going to be the address of the mentor, then how their hourly rate. So mentorship is going to be a paid mentorship where people are going to pay for the time of the mentors so they can consult them with their doubts or their projects. So they're going to have an address, mainly the hourly rate, and there are some description like their area of expertise or something like that. And of course, they have these additional features like a rating and comments and all these you would find in any other website. So the second section is going to be the request section. So if you don't find any mentors who are very specific to your specific doubt, you can post a request here. So you can post a request saying the price you're willing to pay for an hour for this specific topic and the actual topic you want to discuss. So have the topic. So now people can view your request and they can give proposals. So people can propose that they know this topic. So this proposal will also contain some description such as their link if they are well versed with this topic, and another rate they are also proposing. So and then the third aspect is going to be the dashboard. So users will have a dashboard where if people propose to their request, then these users can view these proposals. And if they are interested in this proposal, they can buy. Okay, so every user can do any aspect of any stuff in the app. They can either enroll themselves as the mentor, and they can buy a mentorship, or they can request a mentorship. They can propose to a request, or just they can view the dashboard to see if they have their request has been proposed by someone. Yeah, so this is the very basic idea I have for this tab till now. This may change in the future, but this is the bare bones of this very simple tab that I'm going to do. So with this basic idea, I started to build build the contract yesterday. And so what I did was basically write the contract, write the main pieces of the contract as I had in my idea. So this part of the mentor listing is going to be the details about the mentor. So there are stuff still I need to figure out, but it turned out to be pretty complex than I expected. So there is a structure for requests, proposals, reviews. So I'm not going to bore you guys by reading out what I have in this contract. I'll provide the GitHub link to my contract. If you guys are interested, you can see the contract. So rather than having one contract, I have a different contract for different implementation. So there are always a different implementation to the same problem. So I try to implement stuffs into ways for this contract. And also, I have still not resolved many logical errors that I have in this contract. So it was taking me a while for me to figure out this and also learn new things as I need to figure out. So I started with a very simple contract, toned down contract. So this contract, it's called the dummy contract because it is we can call it the testing contract. So this contract only has the mentor listing, and then it has only some very basic functions such as to add a mentor and to retrieve all the mentors, and you can buy the mentorship and you can support the mentor. So this is another feature of the app where you can provide money to your favorite mentors, and then you can give a rating to the mentor. So it is a very simple contract. So this is a whole contract by itself. So I thought rather than to be stuck here trying to build a full-fledged contract, I rather be spending my time in the front end a little bit. So I have written this bare minimum, not a bare minimum contract, but a toned down version of my final contract. And I have deployed it to the Zero blockchain at the AlphaJoris testnet. And I have started writing the front end. So I'll show you guys the front end. So, so this is my front end for this mentor engine. So this is my front end for this project. Uh, I have still not implemented this front end totally, but I have just started writing this front end. So you guys can see that I have implemented very basic stuff such as connecting to the wallet and then getting the balance of the user. So I have still to write the implementation specific to my address, but I have deployed this address in the Silo Alpha Zero testnet at this contract address. So I have this address and I have my ABI. So with this, I'm going to have my contract instance, and I can call methods in my contract. So first step, I'm going to implement a way for me to give inputs so that it will take inputs and create a mentor profile for myself. And then I should be able to retrieve the mentors and have these attributes. So I'll be doing this today. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you. And for the and I'll update you guys as I proceed with the contract, and I'll update you guys as I proceed with this project. Yeah, thank you. This is my front end for this project. I have still not implemented this front end totally, but I have just started writing this front end. So you guys can see that I have implemented very basic stuff such as connecting to the wallet and then getting the balance of the user. So I have still to write the implementation specific to my address, but I have deployed this address in the Silo Alpha Jurex testnet at this contract address. So I have this address and I have my ABI. So with this, I have my contract instance and I can call methods in my contract. So first step, I'm going to implement a way for me to give inputs so that it will take inputs and create a mentor profile for myself. And then I should be able to retrieve the mentors and have these attributes. So I'll be doing this today and I'll update you guys as I proceed with this project. Yeah, thank you.